How to fix Netflix not loading on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Netflix not loading on Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down until you find apps and click apps again, and here we'll find Netflix, or you can just type it, it's easy. And now first click force stop and then click storage, click clear cache, and that's it. And then click data usage and allow background data, and after that just restart your phone and try again, and your problem must be fixed. And that's it. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.